Oh, hi there, everybody. Hey, I'm glad you're here. You're just in time to go to the beach. Oh, you got your sandcastle? Or you gotta have to bring your shovel and pail? And maybe you can bring your sunscreen? And maybe you can bring your swim togs? Maybe I can bring your swim togs with everybody. Yep. And remember, what do you think we're like? Let me think about. Let's go to the beach.
I've got a knuckle sandwich with your name on it. You ready for your whooping? Squirrel power! Stay back, you no-good wrangler! Remember the Alamo! I'm just getting warmed up! Yee-haw! Oh! Huh! Huh!
Let's go to the beach, sand on my feet. I've got my hat, got my towel. Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach with all the waves around. Can't wait to get on down. Let's go to the beach.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach in the summer heat, splashing around under the sun. Let's go to the beach.